In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from a Notion workspace. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's clear and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up Notion. Head to your browser and go to the Notion website, or simply launch your Notion app if you have it installed on your device. Once you're in Notion, look for the Settings option. This might be in the sidebar on the left-hand side if you're using a larger screen. If you're on a mobile device, you might need to tap on the menu icon to reveal the settings. Next, click on Settings. This section of Notion is where you manage your account configurations, and it provides access to various administrative tools. Once you're in the settings, look carefully to find your profile name. You'll want to click on this, which will lead you to more personal settings related to your account. After clicking on your profile name, you should find an option that says Change Password. Now, this might seem counterintuitive since we're aiming to remove the password, not change it. But don't worry, clicking here is the correct step. This will bring up a new screen where you can manage all things related to your password. Now, once you've got the password screen up, look for an option that says Remove Password. Click on this option. At this point, Notion might prompt you to confirm that you really want to remove your password. It's important to consider whether this is a good choice for you. Removing your password can make accessing your account more convenient, especially if you're using devices that you trust and control. However, keep security in mind. Without a password, anyone who gains access to your devices can open your Notion workspace. If you're sure that this is what you want, confirm the removal when prompted. Notion should now remove the password from your workspace, allowing you easier access in the future. And there you have it, folks. Your Notion workspace should no longer require a password. This can save you some time and hassle, especially if you're frequently switching between devices. Just remember, while removing a password can make your experience more streamlined, it's always smart to keep any sensitive information protected in other ways. You can use device locks or maintain security features on your computer and mobile devices. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Have a great day, and happy organizing.